Now I am going to discuss another method, Euler's modified method. This method is applicable to solve an ordinary differential equation with initial condition. What is the basic difference between Euler method and Euler modified method? Euler modified method is a little bit different compared to Euler. Whatever the result you are getting from Euler, so you have to modify once again. So that's why this method is known as Euler modified method. Now write down iterative formula for Euler modified method. The first line, which is equals to yn plus 1 is equals to yn plus h f of xn comma yn, which is similar to Euler method. Whatever the result you are getting from here, you have to rewrite. It is modify. Yn plus 1, that is here it is defined 1, that is here it is 0. So that means this result is coming from Euler. Now you have to modify here. Yn plus h by 2 f of xn plus yn plus f of xn plus 1 plus yn plus 1 0. That means whatever the result you are getting from here, Euler, you have to modify here. You have to modify here. Again, whatever the result you are getting from this step, yn plus 1, 1, you have to modify once again. Yn plus 1, 2 is equals to yn plus h by 2 f xn comma yn plus f of xn plus 1 plus yn plus 1 to the power 1. So that means this value is coming from here. And in this way you have to modify until unless you have a same result. If you have a same result, then you have to stop the calculation. And where n is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot. Now try to understand this process by using one example. Use Euler modified method to compute y of 0.02 where dy dx is equals to x square plus y with y0 is equals to 0. So it means we want to find the value of y at x equals to 0.02. Let's see. The given differential equation is dy dx equals to x square plus y with condition y0 is equals to 1. Now on the right side you write down general form. Dy dx is equals to f of x comma y with y x0 is equals to y0. So if I compare both, here fxy is equals to x square plus y, x0 is equals to 0, this 0 is coming from here, and y0 is equals to 1, which is coming from here. And substitute here f of x0 comma y0, f of 0 comma 1 is equals to, using your formula, this is equals to 1, because each and every step you have to calculate the functional value again and again. Here we want to find the value of y at x equals to 0.02. So same thing here, h is not given, predefined. Here h is not predefined. Here we are considering h is equals to 0.02. How to decide? The gap, x0 and x1, in between the gap. Now the table is, write down the table, this is most vital information. x0, which one is given, y0, which one is also given, x0, x1 is equals to 0.02, and this is question mark, that is we want to find the value of y1. By Euler modified method, y1, which is equals to your Euler method, y1 0 is equals to y0 plus h f of x0 comma y0. Already you know what is your y0, this one 1, what is h, 0.02, and f of x0 comma 1, x0 and y0. Now substitute this value in function. What is your function? fxy is equals to x square plus y. Substitute here. Then after simplification, what you have, y10 is equals to 1.01. up to this step, which is equals to Euler method. Now we have to modify this result once again. To calculate the second step, you have to calculate f of x1 comma y1 0. Which one you have right now? F of 0.02 x1 and y1 0 is equals to that. If I calculate, we have this one. Now our first iteration, y1 1 is equals to y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 comma y0 plus f x1 y1 0. This result, this is vital. This result is coming from here. So already this value, so already you have. Now you substitute y0, f of x0, y0, all value you substitute 1 by 1 by 1. F of 0 comma 1 from the last page you have 1, and f of 0 comma 2 and 1 comma 02 you have this substitute here. After simplification you have this. So y11 is equals to 1.0202. Just to check, y10 1.02, we are modifying this. If we can get the same result close to each other, then you can stop the calculation. So this is our first modified result of y1. Okay, now come to the next. Again you have to calculate, again same, we have to calculate f of x1 y1 1, f 0.02, whatever we have y1 from the previous calculation 1.0202. Substitute here original formula. What is your fxy? Fxy is equals to x square plus y. Substitute here, you have this. A new modified formula is y1 2 is equals to y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 comma y0 plus f of x1 y1 1. So this is different. So this portion is changing again and again. Similarly y0 you know, h you know, substitute here, x0 y0 you know, substitute here, and x1 and y new one. Clear? So this value already you know from the previous calculation, and this value you know from here, substitute here. After simplification, what you have, this is 1.0202. What is your y11 from the previous step? You have 1.0202. Now what you have? 1.0202. Both are same, so we can stop the calculation. Therefore, y is equals to 1.0202 at x equals to 0.02. So this is our answer. Why you are stopping here? Already I discussed that y1 1 and y1 2 values are equal. So this is all about the process of Euler modified method. If your modified method is clear, now I have given another question to you for your understanding. Clear or not? Use Euler modified method for finding y at x equals to 1.2, where dy dx equals to 1 minus xy by x square, y1 is equals to 1. Taking h equals to 0.1. So if you have a solution, you can WhatsApp me, or you can inform by through mail or through message also. Thank you. If your concept is clear, pass on this video to your nearby friend. Thank you.